What's up, you guys? It's Kai the Kunoichi, and this is my very first Animal Crossing live stream, except it isn't live and it isn't a stream. Basically, I wanted to try recording myself playing Animal Crossing and, just see how it goes. Now, I apologize in advance for the poor quality. I think at some points my voice is going to be definitely muffled by the sound of the game. And yeah, it's because I don't have the proper equipment. And yeah, it's because I'm being cheap. I apologize. It won't always be like this. I just want to test this out. But anyway, something crazy happened and this has to be documented. So as you see, I'm at my campsite. And first off, my village is full. I don't have any room for anybody. I'm quite happy with my villagers. Let me introduce you. So this is my island. Alcatraz is the name. Leopold, I have Leopold. Dom, he was OG. Bo, Gladys, Cookie, Nana, Chops, Pietro, he's new, and Broccolo. Now, okay. When I first got Animal Crossing, I envisioned having a cat village. These are literally all the animals I hate, and I have them all, which is crazy because I don't like the damn sheep. I don't like the deer. All the lions suck. I hate the birds. I'm not a dog person. I definitely don't like the monkeys. Pigs, ew. And a rat, the worst ones. The rat. But let me tell you, I fell in love with each one of these guys. We're super close, and it's so hard to even think about moving someone out. It definitely ain't gonna be Nana. But I decided, since all the lions suck and Leopold, I had him in the original Animal Crossing, the GameCube one. So, I'm good on him. I think we've had good life experience. I think it's time that, he go on his NPC life journey and I get a new villager. So I'm cool with kicking him out because, again, there's someone at my campsite, and every time there's someone at my campsite, I pray it's someone I hate because I don't want to kick anyone out. But of course, let me just show you. Kabuki, you guys. First off, it's a cat. My first cat. When I first got this game, I intended on having a full cat village. It was going to be all cats. I wanted Mitzi, Felicity, Kabuki, Anka, Bob, everybody but Tangy. I wanted Tangy, not her. I wanted all of the cats. But then I ended up with all the animals I hate. But look here. My first cat is Kabuki. I feel like I have to take him. And look, he has a lollipop. So, okay. I Googled it, and I learned that even if you have 10 villagers, you can still, oh, I love bubblegum. Anyway, I learned that even if you have a village full of villagers, you can force someone out. You just have to be hella annoying and persistent and get this guy to want to kick someone out. But depending on he's gonna choose someone randomly, so I have to cheat. And I'm not a cheater. I'm not a time traveler or any of that stuff. Everything here is no cheat codes. It's like playing The Sims and not using Rosebud once. That's what I'm doing here. But anyway, I have to be persistent. I have to ask him a whole bunch of times, and eventually he'll choose somebody, and I can either reset the game and try again, or I can have that person get kicked out. So I'm hoping he goes for Leopold. I can't bully my villagers. Let me run around while we talk about this. Oh, my bad, bruh. I'll be back. Okay, so I know it's raining and I'm wearing my PJs. I'll change my clothes in a minute. But, here's the thing. I'm not a bully with my, people. I don't like hitting with nets or push them around. I let them choose. Either they, leave on their own, or they ask me and I think it's a good time, or, I just let nature take its course. So, I haven't been bullying Leopold, but I also ignore him. I've been ignoring him like shit. I gotta stop cussing. My niece is gonna watch these videos. Okay, I'm gonna edit out all my cuss words. So, but yeah, I haven't been bullying Leopold, but I also haven't been being his friend either and talking to him. Okay, and also don't judge my village. I'm still trying to figure out exactly what I'm trying to do here, okay? Like, I have a beautiful layout, and everything has been off the dome. Like, it's weird. Like, Pinterest doesn't inspire me. Oh, wait. We have a mission. What am I doing? I'll get to this shit later. Let's go get Kabuki. Okay, I'm going to explain this again in a less excited, more clear way. I have a village. My village is full. I already have 10 villagers. I think that's the number. So, when I ask Kabuki, he's going to decline. In order for me to kind of bypass that and force an eviction, I have to continue to repeatedly talk to him and play his game until he suggests to kick somebody out. Oh, I like this song too. Is this the Stroll song? You know, New Horizons kind of flopped with the soundtrack compared to the other ones. Yes. I wonder how many times they're really gonna make me talk to him. It's like, how bad do you want him? So here's who can't go. Gladys. She's a meh character. Like, honestly, on this game compared to the other games, especially the GameCube games, they're all kind of meh because they're all super NPC-ish, like no personality for real. Whereas the other game, you get cussed out if you give someone like the wrong gift, and they remember things. But Gladys is very kind of bland, but I love her name and I love her house, and she's a crane. I think she's really pretty. My island is named Alcatraz, so you know, I based off of actual Alcatraz Island in San Francisco. So I intended on having like a bunch of creepy people live on this island. Like I was thinking, what's her name with the holes? Cookie? She has like no face, just those black holes. Like what used to happen if you, what was it? If you reset your game, Resetti would take away your face on the Animal Crossing GameCube one, remember? And you would come back as like a ghost for like a day. Like, so creepy. But yeah, I wanted her, I wanted Jitters, that creepy looking bird that looks like, you know, he's seen some hard times. I wanted Hans, just because he's like an abominable snowman. That's so cool. And I just wanted a bunch of misfits. And then I ended up with the cutest people. Like, oh my gosh, Nana is so adorable. Cookie is so adorable. So then I was like, okay, maybe I'll have all pink people. And then I got Brocolo, who's a rat. And at first I was like pissed because it was a rat and I couldn't say no because he was my third villager to move in. But he's so funny. He's so cute and so small. And then I gave him a little tuxedo and he wears it all the time. The first villager I had like move out finally happened like a couple days ago, and it was what's her name? Rocket. She is a gorilla, and she wears pink. She was my original two. Her and Dom were the first two I got. And she was cool and everything, but I grew tired of her fast. I didn't really care for her. And then plus, you know, oh, I almost put no. Yes. Yes, I wore him down! Woo! I thought it was going to take much longer. Okay, cool. Okay, yeah. Okay. Isabelle, hook it up. Okay. Fingers crossed they don't ask for Nana, Cookie, Brocolo, Bo. I don't want to get rid of... Okay, look, only Leopold is the only one that I can accept going. I will kind of like cry for anyone else. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I know. I wish they kind of let us have more people. I kind of wish they let us expand our islands too. Like, I would pay for that. Wait. That's it. Okay, I was about to say, that conversation was not over. This is my original island, Tim. This is what, when you walk off the airport, you hear when you come onto my island. Aloha. Anyway, must be something real special happening here, huh? Shame I can't be part of it. I should have been reading this from the beginning. So this is why this is my first video. This is the test. Thanks for inviting me anyway, kiddo. Really perked me up. Give me something to think about. No! No land for sale anywhere on Thailand. Can you imagine? Must be something real special happening here. Thanks for inviting me. Okay, but I thought I'd get an option that... Okay, do I have to go talk to Isabelle? Okay, maybe I missed a part of the YouTube video. See, this is what being impatient does. You don't listen to everything. And then you don't know, and then you have to figure it out because you refuse to go back and listen. Then just do it yourself. Oh, gosh. Let me go talk to Isabelle. So yeah, this part of my island is just going to be the naturey pretty part. I'm slowly collecting things, so it looks kind of basic. And I know compared to like all you guys' fabulous islands, which I honestly don't understand how all you guys are just so talented at this. Maybe, I don't know. So let's figure out. Oh, stop reading stuff. Maybe Isabelle will give me the lowdown. But I thought the whole conversation took place with the campsite person. So confused. Huh. Okay, I don't think we're going in the right direction. Maybe I need to go look up what I need to do. Leopold. The way he lives here upsets me. I want him to leave. Okay, this isn't working. Oh good, we're getting a new song. What time is it? Hey, his umbrella's so cute. That bio, yes, that is what he says. Okay, y'all, I need to figure out what to do. I know, Alcatraz is beautiful. I can't wait for it to snow. I can't wait for my birthday and we get the sakura trees. Oh my gosh, I can't wait for that. Okay, y'all, I need to figure out what to do. I think I just continue talking to him because I'm pretty sure that's what all the videos that I barely paid attention to said. Just keep talking to him. Stop. Okay. is frustrating. If this was, what's that cute new one's name? With the glasses and the different eyes. What's this one, Raymond? Well, we'd be having a panic attack right now. Yo, let's try this again. Is that what you're gonna say? No, wait. Is that all you're gonna say? I feel like I messed something up. Was I supposed to close out the game? But no, you're supposed to give me someone to move out. Look, he's not even saying anything else to me. I messed it up. Like, really? Oh, man. Okay, I might have to head back to the drawing board. Let me regroup. Okay, let me regroup. I need to, like, just take a minute real quick and, like, figure out what's going on because I refuse to give up and I want him on my island. I'm not going back on my word. Okay, one sec.